Hello, Maurieos! Maurieo's basic 2D CAD delete arrays. Hello! In this video we're going to have a look at deleting and erasing things. So first of all we need some objects to delete and erase. So circle's always a pretty quick and easy object to draw. CP for copy. Spot. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Donk, donk. So that's created a few objects for us to erase. Alright, so let's see how we do it. So there is actually a delete command, D-E-L-E-T-E, so you can always put that in there. But it comes up with arrays and brackets, and it's just there like so. And it says in the command line down here, select objects, like so, and then when you finish selecting objects, you can either left click, or hit the space bar. So select arrays to select objects. It's still that's still operating. Just hit the space bar, boom, they're gone. You can also right click repeat arrays, and that'll bring you up here, delete, and then left click again to get rid of them. So there's plenty of options. You don't specifically need to have the command. You can actually just select a whole series of things there and just push the delete button on your keyboard, and they go as well. So there's many ways of getting things, but I would say perhaps think carefully before you erase or delete things. One of the things I like to do is to just put them in a layer and turn them off. So sometimes they might be a construction line that you may need to use later on or something like that. So just rename them and put them in another layer, or in a trash layer. I quite often set up a trash layer just in the layer properties. Where's that going to appear? Oh, here it is here. We're actually working in layer 0 just for these demonstrations, which we shouldn't. That's a layer that you should only use for blocks and things, but I'm just using it here for demonstration. So let's create a new layer. New layer. Oops. Just click that. New layer. I'll just call it trash. So that's my trash layer, and I can just turn that off like so, so that anything I put in there will disappear. I'll just also create another new layer. I'll just call that the working layer. Okay, like so, and I'll double click that just to make that my the current layer. Yeah, turn the current layer off, and that's the working layer there. So escape. So that's just in layer properties there. Alright, so what we can do here is we can see that these here are all in layer 0. So let's select them all, and we'll put them in the working layer, which is now the working layer's been turned off. I'll just turn that on. Okay, alright, so let's just make this one here, or I don't know, let's make it some other color, maybe magenta. Oh, we don't want a magenta one there. Let's get rid of that. So we can just change that into the trash layer. So there's that, and it goes into the trash layer. It tells us that it's there, so that, let's say for instance, oh well, perhaps that magenta one was one that I wanted. So what we can do is just turn the trash layer on, and it's back. So not necessarily deleted as such there. So you know, be careful. Sometimes you spend a lot of time drawing stuff and then just to delete it. So let's just select everything here, and I will delete it. Okay, but the stuff that we put in the trash layer. Yeah, oh, it's still there. Okay, alrighty, so there you go. Delete and erase. I think you've got an erase command down here in the command line. Select objects and end the selection and they disappear. You can type delete down in there as well, and select objects, same thing, it just focuses around arrays. And then you've got the delete button on your keyboard, so getting rid of stuff shouldn't be too much of a problem. You can also put it into the trash layer if you so decide. So there you go. Cheers, see you.